I'm Bill Cook from the Greenlee County Cooperative Extension in Duncan, Arizona. We're out picking some fruit today, and we're picking jujubes. Jujubes sometimes confuse people a little bit. How do I know when it's ripe? One of the nice things about a jujube is that they're pretty versatile. You can use them at several different stages, a lot of it depending on personal preference. They don't ripen all at once on the tree. You can see here we have some that are quite green, we have some that are getting very ripe, and we have some that are mottled. And what you'll find is that the greener they are, the firmer they are, and they tend to be a little more tart, whereas if you wait for them to turn completely brown, they'll be a little sweeter. If you're intending to dehydrate them, I wait till they actually start to get a little mushy. It makes it easier to take the seed out of the middle. So we have the mottled, the very ripe, and the very green. So it's just a matter of how you like them.